Hi everyone! My birthday was recently and I went to the Blick art store, which is an hour and a half away from where I live. That's where the closest major art store is besides Michael's or Joann's. And I'd mentioned that in my previous video, and a few of you requested a video of what I got. I know I said that I would maybe do a vlog in the store, but I forgot my camera at home and I didn't have enough storage on my phone, so I didn't do that. But this is going to be a collective birthday art supply haul type thing, I guess. I don't really know. I wasn't planning on doing one, but a lot of you are interested, so I'm not trying to brag or anything. This is just a requested video. I like watching these, so I understand why, and I decided I would do one anyway. Two things I'm not going to be showing in this video. I got the glitzy Jane Davenport watercolor set of 12. I've already put that in my big box of watercolors, which has her other two sets and a Prima set, so it's already put away in there, so we're not going to get into that in this video. But I did get that from my grandma, and my grandma also got me a set of acrylic paint. I don't know what brand they were, but they're just acrylic paint tubes, and I didn't have any acrylic paint tubes. I just had craft paint because I used all my acrylic tubes on some projects recently, so I was happy to have that in the colors that I had used up. So let's get on to the things I got for my birthday. I'm going to start with the things I got at the Blick store, and then the three things that I got from my parents. So, these are the Strathmore watercolor postcards. Just a set of 15, and actually I've had this set before, so thought that was fun. Next I got these Pusheen stickers. I just thought they were really cute, so I bought I've already stuck a couple in my sketchbooks, that's why they're missing, but I love these. These are cute. Next I got this Moleskine or Moleskine little watercolor book. This is the smallest watercolor book they had. I don't know if there's a smaller one. I doubt it. They had 3 sizes there. And I've always wanted to try the Moleskine watercolor book, but I've never gotten the chance to have one, purchase one. Never gotten around to buying one. So I was excited to get that. It's really cute. It's a cute little travel size. Next, I got 5 of the Tombow art markers, the brush markers. I have their grayscale set. Anyway, this is the little set, or the 5 colors I got. I can't talk, I'm really sorry. I got a black one because my black one is running out. I got a golden yellow, a periwinkle, a rosy, dusty pink, and this avocado green color. I just thought those were fun colors. So, I've had these before, so this isn't a new thing. These are just some new colors. I also got 2 Prismacolor Color Erase pencils. I got the colors Vermilion and Indigo Blue. So, those will be fun to sketch in. I got a lot of blue and red sketching materials, as you'll see. I got this. This is the Prismacolor Verithin red and blue, double-ended thing, which I thought would be really fun for traveling, maybe? I don't know. I just thought it was cool. It was only $1, so I decided to get it. Next we have this. This is the Pentel Graphite 0.5mm pencil. It came with some gray graphite in it, and I got red and blue lead. I wanted to get some red and blue lead for mechanical pencils, and I decided to get this pencil because it was kind of cheap for this specific pencil. And I got the extra erasers too, because those were only $1 each for the leads and the pencil. So I thought that was okay, and I was excited about that. The last thing I got at the Blick store is this little set of Daniel Smith watercolors. I've never used Daniel Smith watercolors, and I've always wanted to, and I'm super excited to make a little travel set out of these. This is their little watercolor essentials set. It comes with Hansa Yellow Light, New Gamboge, Quinacridone Rose, Pyrrole Scarlet, Phthalo Blue, Green Shade, and French Ultramarine. So, a warm and cool version of each primary, which is really all you need. So I was excited about that, because I've always wanted to try these paints, but could never justify spending whatever $20 a tube for some of the colors to get a full palette of 12 or whatever. And these are smaller tubes, and they are cheaper if you buy them in the set, so I thought that'd be great. Okay, now on to the last 3 things. These are the things I got from my parents for my birthday. I had this. It's the Xyron permanent adhesive refill cartridge for the little sticker maker that I have, because it's been out of adhesive for 6 months now, and I just haven't gotten around to buying refills because my local Michael's doesn't carry them anymore. So I got these so I can make some more stickers. Maybe I'll put some in my Etsy. And the last thing I got, and this is the thing that I've saved for the end because it's like super, super exciting. This is the Mission Gold class set of watercolors. This is the 24 set. And it comes with 24 colors. As I said, they're 7mm tubes. So this is super exciting. Of course, when I set up my palette, I'm going to replace that white with my white gouache because that's what I always do. And the palette, these are going to go in. If you've seen these, which I'm sure most of you have, they're the Meeden watercolor tins, and you can get them on Amazon, and they sell a 12, 24, and 48 set. My big watercolor set, I'll grab it. This one that I showed earlier, this is one of the Meeden ones, and they recently came out with them in pastel colors. They come in pink and blue, and I thought that was super fun, so I asked my parents, like they wanted to know a couple things I'd want for my birthday, and I said this pink tin, which is really cute. These aren't in properly because I have to take them out and write the colors on them still. Okay, so for the last few minutes of this video, I have a little sped up clip of me filling these watercolor palettes, and I think honestly the most entertaining part of this is going to be my fish swimming in the background. I didn't realize that was in shot. I always try to cut it out because it's distracting, but you know, it's fine. His name's Pluto. He's like my best friend. Loves watching me do artwork on my desk. Keeps me company. It's a good time. What I did is I removed the little extra set of bars from a small little Jane Davenport palette, and that way I could fit my pencil and stuff in there, and it still held 6 pans. I've done this before, and you can just glue the little row back in if you want. I'd recommend you use proper pliers for this and not scissors, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I just squeezed these colors in here. I ordered them. I did my warm yellow, or my cool red, then my warm red. So the cool version and then the warm version of each primary, and that's the order they're in. I also like googled the pigments because I was going to write them on the side, and then I didn't. And I could have cut this little part out, but I didn't think about that, so you're going to enjoy it anyway. And I did the same thing for my Mission Gold paints. I wrote the name of the color on the side so that if I was ever like needing to refill it, I could. Yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I'm just going to play some music towards the end, and I hope you like this little sped up clip.